After receiving no response from either the center or state government to their plea for repatriation, stranded Goans in the Kuwait chartered a flight to Goa. The group of 164 Goans arrived in Goa on Friday on an Indigo flight. However, they were shocked when Goa Airport in their tweet mentioned that repatriation flight was under Vande Bharat mission, giving credit to Government of India and Goa for their return. In Goa News spoke to the team who were instrumental in organizing repatriation flight from Kuwait to Goa. Here is what they have to say.
Hi, this is Sebastian Narona from Kuwait, Goan by domicile. I would like to quickly touch upon a few facts. Why am I emphasizing on the word facts? Is because there are a lot of lies that have been circulated in the last 2 days. I'm talking specifically about the Kuwait Goa repatriation flight, the Indigo flight that landed yesterday in Goa with 162 passengers. The thing is, since the last 1 month, my friend Prince Prasad in Kuwait, and Mr. Valencio Rodriguez with his team in Goa have been working day and night to put this flight together. We got help from a travel agency called Capico Travels in Kuwait. Mr. Rajesh Venugopal was a very helpful man, a friend of mine, and we successfully managed to pull this off. There are a lot of Goans were stranded here, distressed. No one was bothered about them. They had no jobs, they had no income, they had no proper food, they had no place to live properly, no rent, and there was no one bothered to do anything about repatriating them. Not the government, not any of our associations, Goan associations so-called, that exist in Kuwait. Anyway, this is not about talking about the trouble we went through, but then yes, we did go through a lot of trouble over the last month, and finally we took off. When I say we, I haven't traveled, I'm still in Kuwait. The flight took off, the Indigo flight, at 1:10 in the afternoon from the Kuwait International Airport. What I'm here to disclose today is the disgusting feeling that I'm having, that in spite of us having done so much, finally the news has been spread. And when I say news has been spread, I'm not talking about, just like word of mouth or someone just putting a stray post or something. There is a tweet on the official handle of Goa Airport saying that this flight was a Vande Bharat flight. It was like a slap in my face. Let me be very honest. It was like a slap in my face. After having done so much and someone else taking the credit for this, I don't want credit. The thing is, I'm very camera shy. I don't generally come on camera. But this was one time when I had to. And now that finally somebody has done something about it and landed our Goans in Goa, you come and take the credit at the last minute? In Konkani they say, Fulu husta hosne wale. Teso काम केले मरे तुम्ही? सारखी लॉज ना रे तुमका? सारखी ना लॉज? I don't know what else to say. This is all I want to say, and for the people to know what exactly went on and what trouble we took. I would like to give due credit to Sri Alexo Reginaldo, MLA of the Kurturi constituency, and to Sri Rohan Khaunte, MLA of the Porvorim constituency. I am a very political guy myself, but then this is no politics. I am thanking them not because of their political power, but because they stood up and they did something about it. There were some permissions, there were some declarations that were required, which they provided us with. And yes, we are thankful to them. So please think before doing something. You want to take credit, at least be a part of it somehow. If at all during the last 1 month, someone from the government had to contact us and say that, okay, this is the help we are providing you. Okay, do you require any assistance? Then I would have said, okay, yes, partly it was a Vande Bharat mission flight. They did try to help or something. But this was absolutely nothing. No help from the government at all to call this a mission, Vande Bharat mission flight. That's all I will say.
एक फेक न्यूज स्प्रेड जाता that this repatriation flight was a part of a Vande Bharat mission. So हांव एक खबर क्लियर करता, this repatriation flight from Kuwait to Goa was not a part of Vande Bharat mission. Please take a note. This flight from Kuwait to Goa was not a part of Vande Bharat mission. It wasn't a flight arranged by Goa government. So there is a fake news going on Facebook or all of the social media that first flight from Kuwait to Goa has arrived of Vande Bharat mission. So just be clear, it's not a part of Vande Bharat mission. We cannot give this credit to Goa government or Vande Bharat mission, because Goa government did not show any efforts to bring Goans back to their home, and it is the common man Bob Valencio and his team, and still they will be working to bring remaining Goans who are in different countries. It's a shame to Goa CM that he did not show any efforts. It's been like now this COVID-19 situation has been going since March and he did not show any efforts. So it's a shame to our CM of Goa. So Bob Sebi and Bob Valencio, I salute you for your work and your efforts. आमी सगळी गोंयकार ऑलमोस्ट मोर देन 4 म्हयने जाले आमचा रावताले केन्ना गोंय पावतो काय म्हणून. If this was a government mission, if this was a Goa government mission, maybe आमी 1 म्हयन्यान पावता आसलेले. But Goa government did not show any efforts, and that's the reason आमी 3-4 म्हयने, more than 4 months, we were stuck in other countries. God bless you, Bob Sebi, Bob Valencio, and all the team members who help us to get back our home.
हांव सांगूंक सोदतां की जो कोणें फेक न्यूज घातला दॅट गोवन आमी आयल्या की म्हणून एक वंदे भारत मिशनाचे तर्फेन परत एकदां सांगता, आमी वंदे भारत मिशन हाचेसून ह्या गोंयांत पावूंक ना. आनी कोणें हो न्यूज पळय घातला तातूंत कसलेंच तथ्य ना. जे परी आमचो पप्पू सांगता की तथ्य आसना म्हणून, ते भशेन हातूंत कसलें तथ्य ना. आनी ह्या रुलींग गव्हर्मेंटाचो आमकां कसलोच आदारूय मेळोंक ना. तर आमचे हे MLA जे इतलो तोकोस घेवन बाब वेलान्सियोचे बसून मिटींग करून सॅबी नॉर्माशी डिस्कस करून ताणें आमकां कुवेट गोंया पावयलें. आय एम रियली हॅपी.
Hello everyone, this is Farrell, and I would really like to thank Valencio, Sebi and Prasad for arranging this charter flight to Goa from Kuwait. We were really stranded in Kuwait. I personally have gone to the Indian Embassy a couple of times to check if there was any flight for Goa, but the only answer that I got was the state government has to decide, and they have not got any communication from the state government. But because of Sebi and Prasad and Valencio, we are able to land in Goa today.
Some of the people was clicking the photos and they share on the Facebook. It shows that Vande Bharat mission had borders, but it was a totally fake news. And it was, I saw in the Times of India also, it's mentioned Bharat mission had borders, but that also is fake news. This Sebi, okay, this guy Sebi had effort, and he brought us from Kuwait to Goa. Okay, don't put a fake news.